Checking spelling. The quickest way to check spelling is when we're in the text editor. When we're in the text editor, we come over here in the spell check section. We have spell check turned on by default. So we can turn that on or off just by clicking this. When it's on, it will underline things that are not spelled correctly. So in this case, if I want to then get a correct spelling, I click on the word and I right click. When I right click, it will give me some suggestions. It'll ask if you want, you can get more suggestions. So I can change it to computer, and I can see over here I can right click, I can change it to graphics, and in here I can change it to technology. So that's the fastest and easiest way, is within the actual text itself, in the text object. If you notice down here I have websites. I could right click and I can say, well, you know what, I really want to say website, so I can say ignore all, and it will not underline anywhere where it says websites. Now this was a multi-line text. I can come up to and do it as well in a single line text. And in the single line text, you can see when I click in the text object that it's underlying this word here. This is Kankakee. Kankakee Community College is a proper name or proper noun, so it doesn't recognize that in the dictionary. So what I would normally like to do is right click and then say add to the dictionary. When I add this to the dictionary, this word will go in the dictionary, so it will no longer underline this word. So you should typically add things into the dictionary that are very common words used in drafting. For example, you might put QTY for quantity as an abbreviation for quantity, for example. And you can add up the words that are 63 characters long. And so you can add anything to the dictionary you want, usually technical terms perhaps that are not in the dictionary. So this is the easiest way to actually check spelling, is to do it while you're working in the text object, and you can then just see anytime when it's misspelled, it'll be underlined in red. Alright, so down here in Photoshop, for example, I can right click and it'll come up with some suggestions, and I could actually add that to the dictionary. So checking spelling is really important because we are not perfect spellers, and the best way to do it is in the text object, and making sure that when we're in the text object, that in the text ribbon bar the check spelling is turned on.